Getting ready 9. We're now working with inequalities. So we're going to solve inequalities much the way we did equations, just a couple of slight differences. So we're still going to make sure we do the same thing on both sides. We still try to isolate the variable. So here, 2x minus 9 is less than 3. We need to get rid of the minus 9 by adding 9 to both sides. That'll leave us 2x on the left and 12 on the right. It's very important here, though, to continue bringing that inequality symbol down with each step. So it's 2x is less than 12 still. Now to get rid of the times 2, we will divide by 2 on both sides. X is still less than 6. And it's not just the 6 that is our solution, it's that entire inequality. X is less than 6. Number 2, 4x minus 3 is greater than 13. We will add 3 to both sides, giving us 4x is greater than 16. Divide both sides by 4, leaving us our solution x is greater than 4. Number 3, 6x minus 4 is less than 26. Start by adding 4 to both sides. So 6x will be less than 30. Divide both sides by 6. X is less than 5. And we need the entire inequality as our solution, not just the number. Number 4, we are going to create and solve an equation for this word problem. Virginia's painting service charges $10 per job. So there's our rate of change. I'm sorry. The $10 per job is our flat fee, and 20 cents per square foot is the rate of change. So flat fee, rate of change. If she earns $50 for one job, how many square feet did she paint? So ask yourself, what is unknown? The unknown quantity here is how many square feet. So let x equal square feet. Okay. Now how does she charge for her job? She charges $10 as a flat fee, plus, in addition to that, 20 cents for every square foot, each square foot. So 20 cents times the number of square feet, and that came out to a total of $50 for this job. To solve this, we subtract 10 on both sides, giving us 20 cents times the x equals 40. Divide both sides by the 20 cents. So x is equal to 200. 40 divided by 0.20 is 200 square feet. Another word problem at number 5. This time we're renting out an ice skating rink for Dane's birthday party. This rink costs $200. There's your flat fee, plus $4 per person. That's our rate of change. The cost came to $324 total. So how many people were at Dane's party? That's my unknown. How many people? So let x equal people or guests. How is the cost determined for this party? Well, there's a $200 flat fee, plus, in addition to that, $4 per person, X people coming. So $4 times all the people, X, and that came to a total of $324. To solve this equation, subtract the $200 flat fee from both sides. So 4x is equal to 124. Divide both sides by 4. X is 31. So Dane had 31 people at his birthday party. Number 6 and 7, we need to solve these little one-step inequalities and then graph them on a number line. Okay? So the solving hopefully won't be a big issue here. To isolate the x, we subtract 15 from both sides. So x is, we need the inequality, x is less than -3. Now, on the number line, the way I usually set mine up is the number that is in my inequality, I usually put somewhere in the middle of the number line. You can count by whatever you want, but you might as well count by ones. Make sure you do get the numbers in the correct order. Since these are in the negatives, they look backwards. All right, we want x to be everything less than -3. That means we want all of these values here less than -3 to be shaded, but not the -3. -3 is not less than itself. So what we do to indicate that we start right below -3 is we put an open circle on the -3. Okay, number 7, we add 4 to both sides, leaving us with x greater than 17. So once again, I will take that 17, place it somewhere in the middle of the number line, number to the left and right, set up my scale. Now, since I don't want to include 17, again, x is greater than 17, but not 17 itself, I put an open circle on 17. And then we want everything greater than that. That means everything to the right of 17. Everything to the right of 17 should be shaded.